To install VirtualBox software, we need the VirtualBox installer and the VirtualBox extension pack downloaded before the installation can begin. To start installation, we will first deploy the VirtualBox installer application. The installation of VirtualBox is performed using default settings. Complete the installation with Finish. To install the extension pack, go back to your directory containing the extension pack, double-click the extension pack, and you will be prompted to install the VirtualBox extension pack. Press Install. Scroll down to accept the license agreement, and the extension pack is successfully installed. In the next video, I will show you how to install a virtual machine inside this VirtualBox Manager.